believe you're pissing in their prison. Can't believe you're pissing in their prison. Yeah, into the dark. I bet there's somebody in there. Now, where are they parked? How'd they get in? Gate's locked. The locks are on the outside. There's no way. Are you kidding me? It's fucking open. It's fucking open. Cell blocks. Oh, this is fucked up, dude. Somebody has a weird sense of humor. Go lay on the bunk. Lay on the fucking bunk. This is... What the fuck are they trying to... It's supposed to be haunted. Does somebody use like a... in there so that like sprays out. It's a haunted house. What the fuck? Yeah, look, that springs. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. Yeah. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get this. I had it all zoomed in. So look at this. Check this out. This came down, and you put your hands through, and they put the food through there. So. Look at these girly posters. First down, big house. Alright, I'll just whisper, okay? Yes, thank you. That jumps out. Holy shit, you see how far this goes? Oh, look at that bloody. It's even got a, bag. Oh, there's a control room. Haunted prison. Oh, look at this dude. You getting that? Yeah. Stupid. Look at this one. I'll put him down. It's so gross. I think they're preparing for Halloween. Yeah. This footage is gold. Yeah. This is so dumb. Dude, did you think we were gonna find this? Do it again, do it again. Grab it, like grab the spikes. He almost looks like he's enjoying himself. Who directed this? Swear to Jesus. This is fresh. Very fresh. You want to go up inside? I guess. Let's go. I'm gonna walk through the actual hut. Yeah, real quick. Look, there's... Look at the blood on the floor. It's pretty fresh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like they were here today. They were definitely here. I know. There must be an electric chair in there. Oh, there's an electric chair. We gotta go sit in it. And then you gotta vibrate. Oh, come on. Alright, ready? Come on, I'm gonna vibrate. I'm gonna get electrocuted. We find you guilty of 3rd-degree murder. Alright, 1st-degree murder. 2 times. You committed it twice. Any last words? Yes. Or you can kiss my ass. Oh my god. Got ghosts in the windows. Look at that ghost in the window. Now he's gone. And he's gone. Let's go upstairs. Oh, they're hiring people to build stuff here. 13th floor entertainment group. Ghost chamber. Shut up. Ghost chamber. All the stuff I'm building. Yeah? That's so cool. They're putting some serious effort into this. Somebody's... No, this is like I can totally see it. I could see it being popular, especially at Halloween. Holy shit, did you see this? Okay. It's a ghost. It's a ghost. And he's gone. Yeah, they were definitely here earlier today. This is quite impressive. They really have a setup going here. Yeah. Ghost chamber BGMD. Yeah, big speakers. It's gonna be a great haunted house. I'm very impressed. Wow. Jesus. Yeah. Oh wow. Look at this. Jesus, they really go ham. What is it? Oh my god. Guy has no legs. I'm gonna lay on that. Come get me on film. They were here like hours. Yeah, literally. Like the paint, this shit's not even, the blood's not even dry. Ah, I got the blues. Toast. I got the prison blues. Old lady ain't come to see me in a month. Warms up on my ass. Oh my god. Yeah, hold on, there's a machine room over here. Oh, this is something. This shit looks like not that old. What are these things? Water heaters? Oh. Sometimes that. Oh, just opens. Yeah. View from the roof. Coast is clear. You want to go down into that? I think we can go down this way. Yeah. Patient rights. This is so dramatic. Oh my god. What? Scared the shit out of me. That's creative. That's very creative. I'm very impressed. I am too. Look at this. They even have bubbling water for their heads. This is unbelievable. This thing makes them not really quake. Oh my god. Right. Oh my god. Oh, this is sick. These people. Oh my god. So funny. Oh, this is sick. This is really funny. Well, check this out. Oh my god. This is awful. Hold on, stay in there. Get in there. Imagine this in the total dark with a bunch of actors roaming around fucking with you. And with all these noises and flashing lights. I would be terrified. Yeah. Very impressive. I'm also very impressed. They put a mask on it. Very impressed. Yeah. This is like the best. This is pretty damn good. Here's some bodies. Here's some mannequins. You're right. It's just plain old mannequins. Oh my god, look at this one. Hey man, that thing jumps out of you. He's got some kind of air compressor on him. Yeah, because it jumps out of you.
Yeah, he's got a thing on the back. They use an air compressor to drive it. It's interesting. It's gonna make noise. Let's see if we can get out this way.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is it.
Make sure the door shuts softly. Door remain closed and locked at all times.
So that way, right?
I guess so.
Yeah. This is the thing, we bypass the cameras.